Anything.
Hi.
I'm recording. Nicole. You ho.
You home. Hi, Carmen. I love you, Carmen.
You die.
Okay, never mind.
I wish I could zoom.
Leo.
Leo.
Carmen.
Leo. Hey parents.
No, I'll come like just nice and then look at the picture.
It's recording.
It's recording.
No! Why are you
Damn you, Leo.
Leo. How did it feel growing up in East LA? How did it feel growing up in East LA? How did it feel growing up in East LA?
Oh, how did it feel?
Did it feel good?
It felt great.
So, are you part of a gang?
Huh?
Are you part of a gang?
No, my brothers and sisters were, and then I was about to get jumped in, and then I didn't.
Wow.
This is making me cry.
That's really touching.
This is making me cry.
I'll be the first one to graduate, though.
Aww, that's cute. Woo! Go Leo. Leo.
Are they still part of a gang?
No. They already got, not married, but they already have kids.
What gang was it?
Gosh, interview. We're on Channel 5. We were trying to interview.
You are being recorded, and I'm using this against you in case you harass me one day.
I'm gonna harass you.
You're a gangbanger. Yes.
We're gonna have a big banner and everything.
Would you look at him? Get him.
Mr. G.
Whole name.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. Say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Say bye, Terrence.
Toodles.